Today, I'll walk you through how to set up Cloudflare DNS for a website, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to configure your DNS settings so you can enhance your website's performance and security. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's easy to create one. Just head over to the Cloudflare website and sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that makes managing your DNS settings straightforward. Next, click on the domain option and then select Add Domain. This step is crucial as it allows you to begin the process of linking your website to Cloudflare. If you have multiple domains, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Now, enter your domain name. This is the web address that users will type in to access your site. Double check for any typos, as accuracy is key here. Once you've entered your domain, click Add Site to proceed. After that, you'll need to choose a Cloudflare plan. Cloudflare offers various plans, including a free tier that provides essential features. If you're just starting out, the free plan is a great option. Simply select the plan that best fits your needs and click Confirm. Next, Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. This process may take a moment, so don't worry if it takes a little while. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of your current DNS records. Review these carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make any changes, you can do so at this stage. Now, it's time to change the name servers at your domain registrar. This step is essential for directing traffic to Cloudflare. Log into your domain registrar account and locate the DNS settings for your domain. Replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. This can feel a bit daunting, but it's similar to changing the address on a package to ensure it arrives at the right destination. Finally, complete the setup and verify your changes. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard and click on Done, check name servers. Cloudflare will verify that your name servers have been updated correctly. If everything is set up properly, you'll see a confirmation message. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Cloudflare DNS for your website. Remember, this process not only enhances your site's speed, but also boosts its security against potential threats. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.